Hey, don't let the fool you. Thanks and praise unto the conquering land of the tribe of Judah. The marijuana busting on the earth, me shout out. Music get to me elbows and me shout out. Say what? You thought I left the good stuff? No, me still there. Babylon, stop fight the marijuana. Jump on the man, band the rhythm, see them right. Give prizes, keep on blazing up that till a pipe. There goes the dead, here comes the night. Same story, same struggling, not survive. So I've got to smoke up the herbs. I've got to make it up to my bird. I've got to face it, I see all the first rightful ruler of the earth. I've got to love Selassie. I've got to smoke the herbs and get high. I've got to tell the truth and tell the lie. Look in my eyes, herbs for the use of man. It's the only sacrament. Marijuana, it had been used to make the holy sacrament. I know it's like healing herbs. Why the argument? So them fighting it. Ask them how I do them. I got it and I'm surrounded by the crowd. Smoking the silence, I'm surrounded by the cloud. Stuffing it, puffing on a split much bigger than yours. It is the sickness, disease, it's the cure. So I've got to smoke up the earth. I've got to praise it, I say I'm the first. I've got to give love to the girls. I've got to love it, I say I've got to smoke the herbs and get high. I've got to tell the truth and tell the lie. They don't like it, ask them why. Using for meditational purpose, medicinal cause. With it buds and leaves and seeds, all camouflage. Hey, so much else, yeah, for the all roads. So bring your friends and come along, let us all smoke it all. So I've got to smoke up the earth. I've got to break the loss on the birds. I've got to make love to the girls. God will rule upon the earth.
All day up on green, inhale skunk every time I breathe. Talk and choke when I hit the seed. I love that smoke in a bag of weed. Might type that white widow, dirty but the hydro. Too many people buy the homegrown. Gotta be bumped to make my mind blow. Sick thoughts start to change me. Head in the clouds, paranoid and lazy. Everything around me starts to faze me. Never thought weed'd drive me crazy. Up late and I lose my temper. The slightest thing I'll be around the bend. The suspect skunk right in the center. Get under the sack and you will remember.
Marijuana busting